If you want to save money on Udemy courses, knowing how to get a working promo code can help you enroll for much less, or even free in some cases. Use a Udemy promo code. Start by logging into your Udemy account and searching for the course you want. Once you're on the course page, scroll down to the pricing area and find the option to apply coupon or enter promo code. Next, open another browser tab and search for verified Udemy promo codes online, or check your email if you're subscribed to Udemy newsletters, as they often send exclusive discounts. Once you find a valid promo code, copy it and paste it into the promo code field on the course page, then click Apply. The course price should update immediately to reflect the discount. If the code doesn't work, it may have expired or be restricted to certain courses. Repeat the process with a new code until a valid one applies. Finally, click Enroll now to secure the discounted course and start learning right away. And that's how you can find and apply Udemy promo codes to save money on courses. Once the code is applied, you can enroll and start learning right away. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.